How to recover your deleted WhatsApp messages using your local backup. So first, make sure WhatsApp is closed and then go to File Manager, then Storage, and then open Android folder, go to Media, com.whatsapp, WhatsApp, and then open Databases folder, and then select everything in here, all the files, and then click Move, and then move them to WhatsApp Backups folder, and then click Move. Then replace any existing files. Then once all the files have been moved here, you can close the File Manager, then open your WhatsApp again, and all your chats and conversations should be recovered. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.